Welcome to part 4 of the World Composition video series. In this video, we will be discussing what is probably the most common large-size world composition that most serious developers will be able to create and manage. A 32 kilometer by 32 kilometer or 1024 square kilometer world composition is about the best size to actually work with for a large world for a number of reasons, and it can be done on the average current high-end computer system. A computer such as an 8 or 16 core processor, 128 gigabytes of memory, RTX 2000 or 3000 series video, with SSD and NVMe drives should be able to handle this size of world. The only necessary system specification is the 128 gigs of memory if loading all levels is required. Otherwise, 64 gigabytes of memory may be enough for level selective editing. A few things to keep in mind are: the amount of memory required for importing the tiles and for loading the levels increases as the number of tiles increases. So you want to preferably use no more than 32 by 32 tiles, which is 1024 total tiles, of 1009 by 1009 resolution height map tiles. Attempting to use smaller height map tiles, such as 253 by 253, will require 128 by 128 tiles, which is 16,384 total tiles, and that will lead to very long importing and level loading times. The 16,384 tile world composition test that I performed required more than 5.5 hours just to import all of the tiles. You can decrease the number of tiles even further by using a larger resolution height map tile such as 2017 by 2017. This would require only 16 by 16 tiles, which is 256 total tiles. However, depending on the amount of meshes and foliage and other assets placed onto the individual tiles, you may encounter hitching during level streaming if the total size of the tile and its contents is too large. So it would be prudent to test a small sample of this world size before committing to it. An alternate possibility is to use the intermediate tile size of 1513 by 1513, which is 63 quads, 2 sections, 12 components for 144 total components. This is also an optimized tile size that works well with landscape and world composition. A 32 kilometer by 32 kilometer world would require 22 by 22 of the 1513 by 1513 tiles, which is 484 total tiles, for a 33286 by 33286 world. The Unreal Engine world bounds that limits all actors is 20.97152 kilometers, or plus minus 10.48576 kilometers. A 32 kilometer by 32 kilometer large open world fits well with the world bounds limits of 20 kilometers, with approximately 6 kilometers of viewing distance around the perimeter. This will ensure that the player cannot see the edge of the terrain and is enough distance for a nice set of mountains. This makes 32 kilometer world compositions a good match for the world bounds limits. This clip shows the player at the world bounds edge of a 32 kilometer by 32 kilometer map, looking out towards the 6 kilometers of perimeter terrain. Note that if you are testing a 32 kilometer by 32 kilometer map and are approaching the world bounds, you might want to disable world bounds checks in the map's world settings tab, world section, enable world bounds checks, otherwise the engine will kill your player and reset the camera back to origin. Note that even though there is a world bounds of plus or minus 10 kilometers, chances are you will not successfully be able to create a playable world out that far, with rounding errors and jitter of actors and characters. The packaged 1024 square kilometer world with just the terrain and material is 9.84 gigabytes. Adding meshes and characters should possibly double that size to 20 gigabytes, which is still a decent download size for a current large game or open world visualization. A computer system with less memory, such as 32 gigabytes, can be used, but the world must be imported in chunks, and all levels can never be loaded at the same time. So working on the world would be limited to small views of the entire world. This method of partial world importing and viewing will be covered in a separate video. The optimal 1024 square kilometer world that is using 32 by 32 or 1024, 1009 by 1009 tiles has the following specifications on my test computer. The world contains only the height map tiles and a 3-layer auto material. The computer system is an AMD R9 5950X with 128 gigabytes memory, RTX 3080 video, and SSD and NVMe drives. Benchmark performance tests of this world with a packaged version on 3 of my computers is as follows. This is the view distance of a 32 kilometer by 32 kilometer world as seen from the world bounds to the edge of the map.